Hey everybody, Musicality Rod.
Level 3, this is Val, this is Peter.
That's right. Hard to describe what we did, but we just danced a whole bunch. We did some jams, we did dance some different music, soul, different stuff. Just trying to get y'all to feel the music. Here's what I want to say. Musicality is dumb as an idea because if you're dancing music, it's inherently sort of musical already. The reason we emphasize musicality for 1 month in our whole curriculum is because we can often forget when we're learning all this technique and other stuff that the only reason to get good at this dance is so that you have more fun with your partner to the music. People get the partnering stuff and they think about that a lot, but they forget the music. This month is to remind you that the music is super important, so listen to a ton of music. Try dancing differently to different songs that sound different ways. When the music changes, you should change. If knowing the structure helps you, that's great. If hitting the breaks helps you, that's great. If knowing musicians helps you, that's great. But the main goal here is to have more fun dancing with your partner to the music. So all the rest of our classes are towards that technique that you need to get here. And then remember, don't forget the goal is to have that good time with the music. So good job tonight working on stuff. Listen to more music, and we will see you on the dance floor.